gosh. What's wrong with you?
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
What happened?
I didn't do nothing. I don't know what happened.
What happened to
I
Wi-Fi?
don't know what happened, bro. I don't know what happened.
Oh my god, my cat! Bro!
Calm it down, man. Calm it down.
Why is it unplugged?
What's wrong?
Bro! Bro!
Well, I didn't. I promise you, bro. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. It wasn't me.
Bro, why is the thing unplugged?
I don't know why.
Stop. Why is the thing unplugged?
I don't know. I don't know why the Wi-Fi been
You
acting
mean
up.
you don't know why?
Bro, the Wi-Fi been acting up.
You were just questioning me about how I was playing right now, bro.
Yeah, I was just seeing you're doing good, bro.
Dominic, I just lost $300.
Bro,
Did you unplug it? I'm not playing on you. Did you unplug it? I asked you a question!
I don't know, bro. Bro, Jasmine, take him out of there. Take him out of there, please.
Oh my god. What do you mean calm down?
It's not his fault.
He unplugged it.
He said that?
You really gonna believe him right now?
Did you unplug the Wi-Fi?
Bro, listen.
We're asking you a question.
You have to get off the game. You've been on the game all day.
That's facts.
So you did. No, listen. We're not about to talk about nothing. The same thing I did to your equipment on Fortnite, I'm gonna do it again. Cause you wanna keep playing with me. You see what happened?
You've been on the game all day. You need to get off. It's not good for your health.
Shut up, bro.
Jason, don't hit him.
I'm freaking wagering, bro. This is our money. I'm not losing money, bro. I just lost $300.
Did you just hit
Two
me?
times.
Did you just hit me?
I lost $600.
Can you put this real quick? Bro, honestly, bro, you need to get off. First of all, you're not about to hit me like that. Bro, you're not about to hit me.
You lost me
like that.
$600. Bro, what you mean I'm not about to hit you, bro? You lost me $600. My gosh, bro. What am I supposed to do now?
day.
Bro, you played it 24/7.
What am I supposed to do now?
Bro, you play it 24/7.
You play Fortnite 24/7.
Oh, I get
I'm
off.
questioning you about it.
Bro,
How is he gonna talk to me about games I play 24/7? Ain't this DomDomTV? Bro, you're freaking DomDomTV, bro. He's talking to me about how I play games 24/7. You play games 24/7.
listen, bro.
You play games 24/7. In a minute, I actually play. I put my life on the line, bro.
Okay, I understand that, but you've been on the game literally all day since nighttime, bro. Chill out.
Is that gonna get back my $600?
Okay, bro, you're not gonna lose all $600, bro.
Yes, I will.
Bro, you wasn't waging for $300, bro.
I was waiting for $300. You want to see the cash app? You want to see our messages? We're waiting for $300.
Then that's your fault, bro. Who wages for $300?
Oh my god.
Who wages for $300 though?
It's my fault. My nigga.
Bro.
Is you dumb or is you dumb?
Okay, bro.
You can unplug my Wi-Fi.
Who will freaking wait
Unplug my Wi-Fi, bro.
Listen.
And
chill.
you had the audacity to say it's my fault.
Chill.
You had the audacity to say it's my fault. What's wrong with you?
You can spit on me again, bro.
I'll spill you 1,000 times.
Bro, chill out. Freaking crazy, bro. Back, bro. Chill.
You're paying $300. You're paying $300. You're paying the $300.
Help him.
You're
Take care,
paying
bro.
$300.
Bro,
Don't
go
touch
somewhere.
me. Don't touch me.
Bro, go
Don't
somewhere,
touch
bro.
Don't touch me right now. Don't touch me right now.
Bro.
You're paying me $300.
Pay you nothing, bro. I promise you that, bro.
Nigga, yes you are, nigga.
But I'm telling you now, I'm not paying nothing, bro.
Bro,
Real
nigga,
talk,
I'm not playing with you, bro.
I ain't paying
Bitch,
nothing.
I ain't fucking playing
I
with
ain't
you,
paying
nigga.
nothing.
You don't pay my
I ain't
fucking
paying
$600.
nothing. I ain't
You don't pay
paying
my
nothing.
$600.
I'm not
nigga.
paying
You
nothing.
don't pay my $600.
I'm not paying nothing.
Don't pay.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Yeah.